Good evening, students. Welcome to my English tutorial channel, Make English Easy. Today, I am going to teach articles. Articles is a big chapter. I will teach you in 4 or 5 parts. Today is part 1. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like my class, please give like, and I request you to share my channel with your friends. Okay. Articles can be divided into two: indefinite article consists of a or an, and definite article. In indefinite article, we use indefinite article before singular noun only. Okay, remember, we use indefinite article a or an before a singular noun. Okay, and we use definite article the before singular as well as pronoun plural noun. First, I will teach you where we should use an, where we should use a. Okay, an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Example: an orange, an elephant, an umbrella. But see, what most of the students do make a mistake, they concentrate on the word. Okay, first I tell you there are two types of letters: vowel and consonants. Vowels consist of a, e, I, o, u. So a, e, I, o, u, and the rests are consonants. So in H, if you go by the letter, then it will be a. But I have already told you that an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Just concentrate on the sounds, how it is pronounced, how a word is pronounced. Okay, the hour is pronounced like that, hour, au. So in pronunciation, a comes first, which is a vowel, so it is an. And here is same, we pronounce it eur, euh. And honest, aw, okay. Honest. And sms, sms. So it is not sms, it is the letter start with letter s, but the pronunciation start with the vowel word e. So an sms. Same as an honorable. Okay, honorable. Okay, and for your exam purpose, it may be competitive or school levels, whatever it is, just remember those few words, very important: an MP, an MA, an SP, an MLA, an MBBS, an FIR, and X-ray. Okay. Next, A. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Same thing, A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. A boy, a pen, a book. But see the exceptions. A, useful. You say U is an vowel, so it should be an no. See the pronunciation. The pronunciation is useful. Y double O. Okay, starts with Y. That's why A, useful. A university, very important. Univer. See, university. A European, European. So see the accent Y. One V. A very important, a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note. And for your exam purpose, remember these words very carefully. Just note it down on your exercise book. A unique, a uniform, a unit, a universal. Okay. So remember, a useful, a university, a European, one, it may be one-eyed man, 1 rupee note, unique, a unique, a uniform, a unit, a universal. I have written a line which consists of all the all the words. Okay, just I have taught you. Let's see carefully and try to put it in your head, so you will never make a mistake in your examinations. First, a one-eyed, see, a one-eyed useful European university, a one-eyed useful European university students, okay, who is an here to an honorable, one honorable honest MP, okay. So an honorable and an honest an MP has sent me a SMS an hour ago. So a one-eyed useful European university, and here an honorable and honest an MP, an SMS an hour. Okay. Next thing, very important. So we have already taught, I have already taught that where we should use a and where we should an. Okay. But indefinite article, before which word we use indefinite article, or before which noun we use indefinite article. Okay. See, indefinite article, a or an is used before a singular common noun. Okay, just remember singular common noun. So a or an specifies one, so it must be singular. You know there are two types: singular represent one and plural represent more than one. So singular number, plural number. Just example, a boy is singing, and what is the meaning of indefinite? Indefinite means which is not definite. So we define someone, not specific anyone. Say a boy is singing, so any boy can sing. We are not particularize that boy. Okay, when we particularize, it will become the. In my next class, I will discuss on the article the. I will teach you on elaborately. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends to get the more exciting videos on English. And remember my channel name, Make English Easy. Okay, I am come to teaching again. A boy is singing a song. Okay. A student must be attentive. Any student. Okay, not any specified student. He ate an apple. I need a book. A beggar came to the door. Okay. Next, indefinite article is used to express a numerical sense of one. Okay. Indefinite article is used to express a numerical sense of one. See that example, 12 inches. 12 inches make a foot. So foot is a noun, and before that we have used a. Okay. Now what is foot? A foot consists of 12 inches. So a foot represent a numerical sense of 12. Okay. So a foot is a foot. Foot represent 12 inches. So foot represent numerical sense of 12. That is why we have put a before a foot. Same, a dozen. Dozen means 12. Okay, very important. And remember one thing, we never use s with dozen, whatever the number, 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen, but not dozens, not 3 dozens. Okay, and dozen means 12. So if I say a dozen, so we represent 12 mangoes. Okay, so dozen represent the numerical sense of 12 also here. So that is why we have used a. Okay, and another word, another, it is not a word, another example, see another word, not a word was spoken. Here not a word means not one word. Okay, was spoken, one sense. Okay, next, very important, indefinite article is also used in the sense of vague certainty. Indefinite article is also used in the sense of vague certainty. So suppose your father has a friend, Mr. Kapoor, with whom you are not familiar. He comes to your house to meet your father, and you meet him suddenly. So you don't know Mr. Kapoor. So when Mr. Kapoor introduces himself to you that he is Mr. Kapoor, so what would you say to your father? You would say that's a Mr. Kapoor. कोई मैम हिंदी में क्या बोलते, कोई मिस्टर कापूर आपसे मिलना है. So in that sense, Mr. Kapoor is unknown to you. Okay, that is a vague. He is a vague. So you are not certain about Mr. Kapoor. In those sense, we used a. Say a Mr. Kapoor. Okay, a Mr. Kapoor has come to meet you. Okay, very important. And next, I met a Mr. Das. Okay, so Mr. Das is not familiar to you. You met him first time. That is why. And when you come home, you say to your friends or father that, or brother, that you have met Mr. Das, someone, Mr. Das. Okay, maybe Mr. Das is familiar to your brother or sister or friends. Okay, or your mother. So Mr. Das is the friends of your brother. Then you come, and then when you meet him at in the market, you say that when Mr. Das will introduce you that he is friend of your brother. So when you come to your brother and you say that Mr. Das, okay, I have met Mr. Das. Okay, next, very very important. There are certain phrases which we call inbuilt phrases. In those phrases, we use a. These phrases are inbuilt. Okay, so you can't change. The first one is very important. Just note down, in a hurry. I was in a hurry. If you write I was in hurry, wrong. Okay, a is inbuilt. Next, make a noise. We said don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. Don't make noise. If you say don't make noise, so it is wrong. Don't make a noise. For a walk, see those important. Tell a lie. Tell a lie. Okay. Next example, I have given you the example. He was in a hurry. Okay. Okay, I remember you. Indefinite article a or an is used before a singular common noun. Indefinite article is used to express a numerical sense of 1. Indefinite article is also used in the sense of vague certainty and in certain phrases. And see the example: a useful, a university, a European, a one-eyed man, a. So in one, the example: a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note, a unique, a uniform, a unit, a universal. An honor. See the sound. Remember one thing: an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. You stress on the sound, not on the letter itself. Okay. An hour, an year, an honest, an SMS, an honorable, an MP, an MA, an SP, an MLA, an MBBS, an FIR, an X-ray. Okay. So this is the end of part 1. Please subscribe my channel to get part 2. In my next class I will discuss on the article the. Thank you.